How to share Capcut project. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to share the Capcut projects. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Capcut application whether that's on your mobile device or PC and you have to select the project which you want to share on Capcut. After that, you can easily add to the track clicking on the plus button by importing it, and then you can easily customize the project. And once you are satisfied with your project, click on the export button at top right corner of the screen. A mini box appears where you can easily name this project, export, and choose the location of the folder. Suppose let's click on folder icon and here click on the desktop. After you select it, you can easily select to any particular folder and click select folder button. Here you can easily select the video resolution, bitrate, codec and many more, that is frame rate. And here click on the export button and you have to wait for a while until the exporting has been completed. So once the exporting is done, once the exporting has been completed, your video is saved to your desktop or laptop. Now you can easily share it to TikTok or YouTube. For that, you can easily sign into your account on Capcut and share it to different kinds of social media platforms. So you can click the share it button at the bottom of the screen and share it to TikTok. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.